Pulse Property is Australia's leading research house for residential investment property. Pulse uses its unique and comprehensive research methodology to identify growth areas Australia-wide. Through its recommendations and education programs, Pulse has helped thousands of Australians to create wealth through property investing. At Pulse Property, our vision is to provide the asset class of property with the same level of research and due diligence the financial planning industry uses to analyse the share market. We believe that every property recommendation should be thoroughly researched and rated to manage our clients' risk whilst providing them with the benefits of growth and income. With more than a decade of experience, we have our finger on the pulse of the Australian investment property market. We are regularly able to offer investment opportunities prior to their release to the general public, meaning our clients get access to the best deals within any given development. Pulse Property works with a network of business partners, including financial planners, mortgage brokers, accountants and industry professionals, offering their clients access to the latest property research and property solutions Australia-wide. To find out how you can benefit from Pulse Property's strategic research and quality investment stock, call us on 02 9299 2232 or click the contact tab on this site to email your inquiry. Pulse Property, property solutions for investors.